doing English speaking practice. I have some questions and you have to give answers, right? So again, I'm going to ask same question. Do you use social media and which platform do you use? Yes, Rishika.
Yes, I use social media regularly. I am active on Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. Uh, Mostly, I use Instagram for making reels, and Snapchat I used rarely.
Very good. Very nice. Yes, Reshma ma'am, your answer. How often do you check your social media accounts? Yes, how often? It means कितनी बार आप social media accounts check करते हो?
Just uh, 20 to 30 times
In a
a
day?
day.
In a day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me, can you explain me, like as I told you, usually in the morning or during lunch time, at what time usually you watch?
Ma'am, free time.
Okay, whenever you have time, free time, right? Then you check your social media, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why do you check your social media? As I give you my answer, you have to give me your answer.
Ma'am, because I make reels and my account is public, so
Okay, so
I check.
you usually you check your likes and feedback, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So you can say I check my social media accounts for you have to complete this answer for.
For count of likes
Okay, right.
and count of my followers.
Okay, very nice. Reshma ma'am, your turn. How often do you check your social media account?
I check my social media account frequently
Okay,
after lunch, before
after
going to
lunch.
bed. Yeah,
Usually after lunch.
usually after lunch in the
Hmm.
evening
Hmm.
and before going to bed.
Bed. Before
It helps. It
going.
helps me
Yeah.
what's going on,
Hmm.
the
It helps
latest
me.
news.
Yeah. It helps me stay
Me to
updated.
know.
Okay. Stay updated.
Uh,
Hmm.
it helps me to stay updated what's going on
Hmm. With
in the
your
world
family
and
and
news
friends. Okay.
with family, friends, and
In
worldly
world.
news.
Yeah.
Mm,
In world also, right?
yeah,
In world as well. Okay. You
yeah,
have used two. Okay. आपने टू यूज
yeah.
किया. It helps me to stay updated. To stay नहीं आएगा मैम. It helps me stay updated. Stay
It helps
updated.
me
Okay. Hmm.
stay ahead.
Okay, very nice. Answer, what do you like to post on social media? Honestly, I like to post and my videos and my English uh, language related some words, vocabulary. These all I like to post. What about you, Reshma ma'am? Do you post anything on social media?
No, I'm not posting anything on social media.
Okay. And you, Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you like to post on social media? As you told us, you have Instagram account. So what do you like to post on social media?
Mm, I post uh, expression videos.
Which videos, beta?
Expressions video.
Expressions video. Okay. What does it mean? Expression videos? Your answer, please. What do you like to post on social media?
Yes, I like to post on social media my kids' videos on Instagram.
Any celebrities?
Yes, ma'am.
Which celebrity, beta?
Siddharth Malhotra.
Okay. Now give me complete answer. Yes, I follow several celebrities. Yeah. Yes, I follow Siddharth Malhotra and okay.
Payal Mat and
Payal-
Arma.
Yes, yes. Complete your
And
answer.
yes, I follow Kirtika Malik, Payal Malik, Siddharth Malhotra,
Okay.
etc.
Okay. Okay. Why?
I because I like uh, Payal Malik and Kirtika Malik kids.
Okay. That's why you follow them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Reshma ma'am, do you follow any celebrities or influencers?
Yeah.
Yes. Who are they?
Yes.
Who are they?
Um, Alia Bhatt,
Okay.
then uh, Priyanka.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
You have to give your answer like that. Yes, I follow some
Yes, I follow
celebrities like Alia Bhatt and
Priyanka Chopra. No, Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone as well. Okay.